it's Emily. Welcome back to another vlog. So today I'm taking a trip to visit a friend for about a week, and yeah, so I'm on the drive there right now, and I'm at the post office because I have to ship out this package from my Depop. So I'm gonna do that really quick and we'll start my drive. All right, let's head off. I'm going to go to the gas station first. It's a 2-hour drive, so I'll need gas and then we'll get going. Stop to eat a teeny bit of food. What a great snack. I just have a little, I ate more than this, but anyways, I'm about halfway there, sort of, so let's get going. Okay, car essentials for going on trips. Music, fantastic, GPS, let's go.
Starting route to proceed to West State Highway 7.
So I am back home. As you can tell, I'm in my closet, so I don't bother anyone with my noise. Whatever. So I didn't vlog the whole trip. I vlogged things here and there. But yeah, I'm back. I'm gonna set my camera up. And let's do a little Ulta haul. The last thing that we did before I drove back was we did a little bit of shopping. Mostly from Ulta. So I'll show you what I got. I got too much. We always go to Ulta, so we had to. Okay, first, these are cute. Been loving these. Got some hair clips. I think my hair as it is looks cutest with some of the pieces tucked back in a little hair clip. So we've got this pinkish mauve color, and there's two of those, so it'll look the same on both sides, and then there's a little light pink one in there, which I don't know if I'll use it because I usually like doing two and then the same color, but yeah, we have that one as well. So 3 little barrettes. And then I heard this was supposed to be good. This is the Morphe 2 lip oil. It's like a clear lip gloss because the one I like is running out. So we got that. I'm gonna put her on right now. I got the color Extra Glaze, which is very clear and it basically goes on sheer but has a slightly nude tint to it. Okay, there it is. I don't know if it's exactly perfect. It's very thin, which I like that it's not super sticky, and it's nice for everyday wear, though I am looking for more of a lip gloss for when I decide to do a minimal makeup look, but I do think I'll use it. And then I have recently ran out of my Ordinary Niacinamide serum, so I got another one. So there it is, you know, just the basic serum. I actually have been using a new face oil thing from Lacoste. I did a video about them and I really like it, and I can use this with it, but my face has been looking fantastic with it, so I honestly don't even know if I care to use this with it, but we'll see, because I did like this in the past, but if I like how my face looks now, why change my routine? So I don't know. Last thing, I got another Truly product. Their products are beautiful and I've seen good results. So basically it's targeted towards one area, but you can use it on your whole body. So I use it as a body serum, if if that makes sense, but like here's the product in case you're wondering. Haven't tried it yet, heard good things, hopefully it'll be good. And that's everything I got from Ulta. Also, I got one thing from Target. This I've been looking for forever. If you have been watching my channel for a while, you might know, but Target used to have a new post-it line called Noted, and they only stayed for like a very short amount of time in Target before they like stopped being sold there, and they're back at the moment. I think they come back like during like beginning of school year as like a school supply type thing, but this is really just an everyday type thing. It is their habit trackers. Honestly, I don't need them now as much as I did last year when I couldn't find them, but I have them and I'll probably use them. They're just like whole sticky notes that they have the whole month on them. You can write your habit that you want to track, and then there you go. You can track how many days in the month that you do it. Happy I found that, even though it's a little late, but we got that anyways. And that's it. We also went to Michael's, but like that's boring. Only got one thing. So I got an ink pad, a golden ink pad for a stamp. I'll show you it as soon as my actual stamp comes in, either in this vlog or the next. And it's for my small business. So yeah, you might see that later. Anyways, that's everything I got from Ulta, back from my little trip. And I'm just gonna chill the rest of tonight and catch back in with y'all later.